Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I'm going to teach you how to play the very popular hymn In the Garden, written by C. Austin Miles in 1868. Very popular hymn, easy to play. In my description below there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the lyrics and chords that I'll be using to teach you this song. So let's get started. I come to the garden alone, while the dew is still on the roses, and the voice I hear falling on my ear, the Son of God discloses, and He walks with me, and He talks with me, and He tells me I am His own, and the joy we share as we tarry there, none other has ever known. The chords used to play this song is G major, G7, C major, and then D major, E minor, A7, and then D7. And then we'll have a B7. Okay, so that makes up the chords used to play this song. So I'll teach you the chords real quick. For G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 6 of the 3rd fret, and then your little finger on string number 1 of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. That'll be G major. G major. Okay, for G7, you're just going to swap these two fingers with fingers number 2 and 3, and then place your finger number 1 on that 1st string of the 1st fret, and then strum all strings. That'll be G7, and this is used to transition into the C major chord. Okay, so to play G7, finger number 1 is on string number 1 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 is on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to this very top E string on the 3rd fret, strum all strings. That is G7. Okay, C major, you place finger number 1 up 1 string on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3, stretch it to the 3rd fret of the 5th string, strum all strings but this top E string. C major. Okay, the next chord to learn is D major. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on string number 2 of the 3rd fret, and then play the bottom 4 strings. D major. Okay, to play D7, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. That's D7. So we use this chord to transition from D major to D7, and then going back to G major. Okay, so that was D7. Okay, to play A7, you place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then place finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings but this top E string. That is A7. Finger number 2 is on string number 4 of the 2nd fret. Finger number 3 is on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. Strum all strings but the very top E string. A7, okay? And then E minor, to play E minor, you just place finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings, all 6 strings. That is E minor. Okay, the last chord to learn is B7. To place B7, you place finger number 1 on string number 4 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on this 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then string number 4 on the bottom string, or the string number 1, also on the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings but this top E string. That is B7. Again, to make this chord, finger number 1 is on string number 4 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 is on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 is on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then your little finger goes on string number 1, also on the 2nd fret. Strum all strings but this top E string. It is B7. Okay, that makes up all the chords used to play in the garden. I know that it's a lot of chords to play. You got some transitional chords, but it makes a beautiful chord progression. Okay, the strumming pattern for this song is in 3/4 rhythm, so therefore there's 3 beats per measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we'll be playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Just simple down up strokes, down up down up down up down up down up down up. Okay, as opposed to 4/4 time, 1, 2, 3, 4, like a lot of songs are played in. Okay, so 3 beats per measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, let's look at the verse, the chord progression. Start off with G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, G7, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, 1, 2, back to G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, D major, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, G, 1, 2, E minor, 1, 2, A7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, D major, B7, 1, stop. Okay. Okay, let's play through it one more time, and I'll sing the verse this time. Okay. I'll come to the garden alone while the dew is still on the roses, and the voice I hear falling on my ear, the Son of God discloses. Then you'll stop there, and then we'll do the chorus. Okay, very simple to play. Okay, let's play through the chorus one time, and I'll just kind of voice the chords and the beats as we go along. So, and he, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, D major, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, A minor, D major, G major, back to D, back to G, B7, E minor, C, G, D, G. Okay, so let's play this through one more time, and I'll sing it this time. Okay, starts off with the D. And he walks with me, and he talks with me, and he tells me I am his own, and the joy we share as we tarry there none of course, this song has 2 or 3 other verses to sing, and just using that same chord progression. So very easy hymn to play, and a lot of people sing this song, and it's just has a beautiful message to it. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after this video. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. There's no obligation, it's free. Just simply bookmarks my channel under your subscriptions so I can easily be found, and you'll also be notified when I upload new videos. I try to load 1 to 2 videos per week, new lessons, so appreciate your support. I'd like to say thank you to all my current subscribers as well. So have a great day. God bless you.